Mga guys, kakapasok lang na balita, may nangyaring gun shooting sa nagaganap na dinner event ng White House sa Washington DC. So, ang gunman is 31 years old. So, ang nangyari, nakapasok siya, nakalusot sa kumbaga, security plan ng mismong White House at nagpaputok ng baril. At may nadami dito na police officer na nagbabantay doon sa mismong event ni President Donald Trump ng Amerika. So yun nga, nakalusot siya sa security system ng mismong White House. At yun, may nasaktan at natamaan ng baril at hinihinalang doon sa hinihinalang kumbaga yung suspect, yung respondent. So panoorin natin guys kasi nagkagulo sa Amerika.
Gunfire has erupted at the annual White House Correspondents Association dinner in Washington, D.C. tonight, sending the high-profile event into chaos. President Donald Trump, First Lady Melania Trump, and Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt were immediately rushed to a secure shelter by Secret Service agents. They have not returned to their seats. Security officials were seen urgently evacuating House Speaker Mike Johnson. Republican...
So mga guys, ano na yan pinakamalulupit na security protocol na yan at mga matitinding mga agent yung nandyan. So, nalusutan pa rin sila ng gunman. So, may nangyaring shooting incident pa rin. Tapos pinakamayamang bansa pa yan. So, hindi natin talaga masasabi kung talaga intention talaga na makasakit at kumbaga manakit at makapatay, gagawin nila para lang makalusot sila sa security protocol.
Louisiana, from the ballroom as multiple loud shots rang out. Eyewitnesses described chaotic scenes with attendees ducking for cover.
Daming tao na nagkagulo na.
The incident occurred during the high-profile annual gathering of journalists, politicians, and celebrities.
High-profile yung mga nandyan, President ng Amerika.
There is no official confirmation on the shooter's identity, whether the suspect is in custody, or if there are any casualties.
Yung mga lumapit na yun, yung mga agent na yan, mga guys. Mga intelligence.
Are responding on scene. The White House has not yet issued a statement. This is the first known security breach of this magnitude at the White House Correspondents' Dinner in modern history. Please stay with us for continuing live coverage. This is a rapidly developing and extremely serious situation in Washington, D.C.
Yun nga sabi, di ba guys? First time in history na nangyari yan, na may nakalusot sa seguridad ng security protocol ng Amerika. Lalong-lalo na, president pa yan ng Amerika, pinakamayamang at pinakamakapangyarihang bansa sa buong mundo. So yun nga, yung gunman ay nakapagpaputok pa ng multiple times daw, sabi. At ang update is yung gunman ay may nabaril na isang FBI agent or security personnel diyan sa building na yan. Yung nangyaring dinner event ng White House. Update ko na lang kayo guys kung anong pang mga nangyari diyan.